Hi everybody. Recently posted one on the Facebook, the new launching of bark print from Madhya Pradesh. Bark print is another very traditional technique of our country in hand block, and that is, you know, in the largely in the area of Bark district in Madhya Pradesh, and the Baghini River, where the colors when the textile is washed at every level, the color, the iron, the minerals in that river is so rich that they give these kind of various colors, which are all natural dye. And nowadays, the natural dye, double dyeing, rather triple dyeing, then the colors come, various kind of grades of colors come, which I'm going to showcase in the series. And it is a very unique series, and already, people have started picking up from the studio. So, but anyway, don't worry, there are n number of products in this, so we will showcase soon. The first sari in this, the bark print, it's handloom cotton, pure handloom cotton, pure handloom cotton with, you know, this traditional bark print. All the bark saris will look so beautiful with my materials. So this is the palla, this is the palla. See the intricacy, see the intricate motifs on the palla, all the intricate motifs. This badam buta you will also find in Ajrak, because all these are traditionally the same kind of block printing, but the motifs are different, the application of colors are different, and the way this alizarin works here is little different. So this is the whole palla. This is the whole palla, and the body. Now we have, see the motifs on the body. All are, this the what we find it in Nabakoti and in Orissa weave. So that kind of a pattern is there. So this is different. 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 I think there are 6 different motifs across 6 different motifs which are spreaded around across the, and the color is red. The outline color has come red instead of black is in different. Another sari we have black, so that's the border, that is the border. So this is the whole sari, and it just drops on your body like silk. You can see it drops on your body like silk. That's a double layer. So that is the combination, mind-blowing combination. And this is the sari, and this is the palla. So that's the palla, that is the palla of the sari. Absolutely pretty, and what would you say, very nice, absolutely very nice. So this is sari number 1. There is another sari in this ochre scheme only. There is another sari which is in the same kind of block design, palla different, but the body block is same. Only here we see this, the outline is in black color. The outline of this block is in black color, and the border is also little different, and the palla getup is also different. The palla getup is also different. There we saw the badam jali, and here with this paisleys and this kind of paisleys. So all these Amiya paisleys, so all these are all Mughal buttas. They are all Mughal inspired art form. So this is the whole sari. So there we see the red. If you observe the video minutely, you can understand. There we saw the outline is in red color, but the selvage is red over there also, and this is in black. So this is another combination, and that is the yellow. This is the ochre color. This is the ochre color, which is completely comes from this natural dye, and that is the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece. Okay. So this is sari number 2. Sari number 3 is another ochre shade. Another ochre shade. Absolutely mesmerizing. Absolutely mesmerizing work. The body block is like this. Body block is like this. That is the palla. That is the palla. Palla is very tall, long, more than a meter long. Palla is tall, long, more than a meter, and it completely gives the feel of silk. completely gives feel of silk, absolutely. And comfort much better than silk, comfort wise much better than silk. I absolutely hold cottons at the top level, whatever, khadi cotton, handloom cotton, handspun cotton, mill cotton, I hold cotton at the top. So that's the whole combination, that is the whole combination. See the border, how pretty is the border and the sari, and this is the blouse. So that's the blouse, how majestic it would look with the sari with this blouse. So the blouse will be here, so that's the blouse piece, and that is the body of the sari. This is sari number 3. We come to sari number 4. This has a double dyeing technique, because of which I'm not explaining much on this, because then the phone gets heated and the video gets too long. Anybody who wants to understand what is double dyeing technique in Bagh, what is single dyeing technique in Bagh, can always write to me, and I will give that full details, how, what is double dyeing, what is single dyeing, what is natural dye, what are the colors largely get used in this kind of combination. So this has the bigger block, the body has bigger block, see the blocks. So these are the bigger blocks, and this is a kind of a very muted sap green kind of a color, which has come from this double dyeing. And so that's the palla. See the palla, see the palla, literally fascinating, just fascinating. I really want to almost kiss their hands, but I can't do that, so that would not be allowed. But see this, see this, that's the border, that is the border. So smart and artistic this sari is, perfectly, I mean, nothing can be, everything, I mean, I'm saying that how much we appreciate and how much we love this, send love to these saris will be less, because these are the, see the handcraft, see the motives. Have you seen, each individual motives are so intricate and so perfectly done, so perfectly done. So there are so many styles, so many styles. See this one, where did it go? See this one, this jali, this Amiya jali. So absolutely all amiyas are different. See this, see the floral motif, see this leaf, see this jali. Matlab unbelievable. Until unless you see in your eyes, you cannot believe this saris. So that's and that is the blouse piece. So that is the BP of the sari. That is the blouse piece. Stunning, just stunning. This is a traditional color combination. This is a traditional color combination, but very pretty, very, very pretty. It's a very traditional one. You keep seeing Bagh in these kind of combinations. So see, this is the border. This is the border, fascinating border, and the palla. Palla is so beautiful. See the intricacy. I'll just showcase you. It resembles quite a bit of ajrak, but then the moment you see these color combinations and this block and the patterns and the way it has been placed, you know that this is Bagh print. The body has this kind of get-up. This is the get-up on the body. So I'll just do some pleating, though I don't think pleating is needed, because you understand, that's the whole sari. Very nice, lovely, and that is the body color. That is the blouse piece, that is the blouse piece. So that's the sari, that is the blouse piece. Okay, so this is another combination. Whoever wants the traditional color combinations can go for it. Now comes a very, very unique color combination, which is a chocolate and turquoise. Chocolate and turquoise. So that's the color. The chocolate has come from those jaggery rust, and it's a shade of black. It's a shade of black which looks like wine or chocolate, deep wine or chocolate. See the color, see the mesmerizing color, the block, the border, see the border, and see the turquoise color. So that is the palla. That is the palla. Absolutely stunning. See, this looks like complete 3D motifs. This looks like complete 3D motifs. See, this is the sari, and the whole sari has this small buta. We call it in our language buta jal. So this is buta jal. This is not a floral jal. I mean, it is flowers, but then we call it buta jal. So that's the sleeves. That's the pleats. and this is the blouse. This part is the blouse. So that is the sari, full sari. So this is the blouse, and that is the majestic sari. Absolutely mind-blowing. Then we come to another, again a very traditional color combination. I have one sari like this for myself also. So this is a traditional color combination though, but the block print is different. Block print is very different. So this is the mosaic or the tiles which we see in all the old heritage Mughal buildings. These are the mosaic, these are the floor tiles, these are the mosaic which we see. All are different, all these are different, all you must have observed those blocks. So these are the mosaic, and that is the palla. That's a grand palla. That is a grand palla, beautifully designed palla. The intricacy is amazing. The photographs and the video can never do justice to these things until unless you see them in your own eyes. So that's the whole palla. This is the whole body. That's the whole body. And so this is the sari. So that is the whole sari. The whole sari has been done with this kind of pleats and this kind of border, and how beautifully the blouse has come. See, this is the blouse piece. That's the blouse piece. Contrast, total contrast. How beautiful would be this kind of a body of the sari, and that is the blouse piece. So this is another combination. Then my favorite combination comes as black. So this is black body. This is a proper black body with a very traditional again combination. So that is the palla. That is the palla. See the palla. How beautiful is the palla. These are all more than a meter of palla, and very pretty, very pretty. And this is the body and the border. This is the border block, the body block. बहुत बहुत सुंदर है. मतलब मैं ना इनका वर्णन नहीं कर सकती मैं इस वीडियो में. इतना सुंदर है, मतलब इतनी मतलब इतना क्या बोलूँ मैं, इतना स्किलफुल, इतना सफाई से काम भी किया गया है, और इतना द लुक ऑफ द जो टेक्सचर है इसको, कॉटन को जो ये नेचुरल डाई ने उसको मतलब इतना खिल गया है. द टेक्सचर ऑफ द कॉटन, इट जस्ट कम्स आउट टू बी सिल्क टेक्सचर. सो सी दिस, amazingly beautiful, amazing. Until unless you see touching and feeling, you would not understand the beauty of these sarees. Just too good, just too good. So this is one. Then another saree which comes is this. This is again a traditional color. So that's the palla. That is the palla. And see the block in the body. Very nice. Very nice. This is all about red. There is no black here. All about red and mehendi. Red and mehendi. So the border has black color though. So that's the palla. That is the palla. See the palla. Absolutely. I'll just hold it close so that there is a yellow ochre effect also in this. And that is the body. See the body. It's like, you can just wear this sari and go for a heritage film almost. I mean, film doing. So that kind of an heritage look this sari has. So that is these are all the textiles which used to be in our olden days. Such lovely ones. And that's the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece. My mom used to wear Bagh a lot. I mean, she was in love with this craft completely. This is another. This is also chocolate and turquoise. Chocolate and firoza. So the body block is so dense. And so beautiful. And this is the palla. See the palla. See these motifs. There's jali motifs, Amiya motifs. See this. It's kind of a kalash kind of a shape. So that's the whole whole sari. So that's the full sari, and the back, the whole sari, the whole print is like that. Very pretty. And this is the blouse. This part is the blouse. See the blouse. The blouse has lovely border, which has been given in the sari too, and the sari border. So it's the same border as the blouse and sari. Then we come to a green color, black and green color. So these are all double dyes. Okay, these are all double dyes. These are not the direct shades. These have come from double dyeing. This green color, this green particularly, is definitely not the direct shade. So this is this one. This is a palla. It's a beautiful green color, absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's a towards bottle forest green. Actually, this is a forest green color. This is a forest green color. The whole body has those motifs as we have seen in that the earlier the same motifs in this block pattern. See how beautiful. And so that's the whole sari. That is the whole sari. All these motifs are mentioned like that. So these are all block part, all the block part, and very clear, very clear. Oh, not no overlap, no cutting. Sometimes people, all these people do with broken blocks, so the lines come broken, so that is also not there. So it's very neat work, very neat work. This artisan is just mind-blowing, and they are also master bodies. So then we come to another design. This I haven't opened really. So this is also a very pretty and a very neat red color. Neat red color. So this is in red, the traditional, very traditional one, red and white, very traditional one. So that's the palla. This is completely a puja sari. In puja, if you want to wear a bag, for light work in the morning, Shashti day and Saptami morning, where you do the puja work also, and then you wear such beautiful saris, such soft saris that you can work easily, you can do your work easily. So these kind of, this is a very beautiful, very traditional and very nice hand block. And see the blouse piece, see the beautiful blouse piece with this lovely blouse piece, lovely. So these are, see the this block, these blocks, see these blocks. I can't just take my eyes from these. I love it, these things. And two of the sarees have already been booked actually, so I could not show them. But so these are, this is another. Oof, what a saree! What a saree! That's the palla. That is the palla. See the palla, majestic palla. See the palla, absolutely majestic. All in this kind of fashion. I just told them, given the layout, the coloring, and what kind of work I am expecting on these. But then the rest of the credit all goes to these artisans. All goes to these artisans, the way they have done it. So that's the border. See the border. See the border karigari. So this is the body. Very traditional block. Very traditional, and one of my most favorite block. Most favorite block actually. So that's the whole sari. These are, this would just being picked up. I have exhibitions coming actually. I forgot to tell you, Pink Gulab is my exhibition which I'm, participating in 25th and 26th of this month, July. 25th and 26th of July in Aga Khan Hall. So I don't know if these sarees can be displayed there, because all will be picked up before that. So that's the border, that is the body. So that is the mesmerizing block. Okay, thank you friends.